Hi, I'm Tristan, the Chief Student Success Officer here at Invest Diva. Many of you may know me if you've been through any of our amazing courses and programs such as the Power Course or the Premium Investing Group. But I wanted to reach out personally and let you know that we have the Start Building Your Wealth Challenge coming up. Now, if you've liked having me support you and answer all your questions in our private Facebook groups, you're going to absolutely love having Kiana Danial, the CEO of Invest Diva, answer your questions live each day during the 5 days of our challenge when you purchase a VIP ticket. You'll have access to Kiana, myself and the incredible Invest Diva team for the duration of the challenge as we deliver a truly transformational, life-changing challenge for you. Our foundational courses, the Power Course and the Premium Investing Group, are the go-to resources for learning about value investing, personal finance and how to make your money work for you. However, the Start Building Your Wealth Challenge is very different. The challenge is specifically focused on creating generational wealth by creating your own wealth ecosystem. It's not just investing, it's how you're going to grow your income, influence and impact to compound and accelerate your investing results. It's how Kiana was able to grow her portfolio from $500 to almost $5 million in 10 years, with the vast majority of those gains happening in the last few years. And Kiana will be exclusively sharing the exact framework she used to build her portfolio to $5 million. So if you're interested in making your money have babies and creating generational wealth through your own wealth ecosystem, then this challenge could be perfect for you. On behalf of Kiana Danial, myself and the rest of the Invest Diva team, we look forward to seeing you at the Start Building Your Wealth Challenge.